Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you exactly how to tag someone on your Instagram story. It is very simple, so let's get started right away. So the first thing you need to do is open up the Instagram app. Once you're here, all you need to do is swipe over to take a photo for your post or story or whatever. So I'm going to scroll over to story on the bottom corner or on the bottom page. Click the photo button. From here, all you need to do is click the little AA on the top page, and then you can put @ and I'll just do my username. Oops. As you can see, it pops up. I could just click on it, and then once I would do this, if I click the next page and click share, it will give me a message saying that I posted to my story or I got mentioned. And that's how you tag people. It's very simple. You just got another username. So I hope this video helps. And if it did, please make sure to like the video and subscribe. It helps out the channel a lot. And I will see you.